Hello, Wisdom Walkers. I'm Diane, and I am so glad that you're here. I have some exciting news to share with you. Many of you know this channel as Bible Study Made Simple with Diane, but after prayer and reflection and listening to what many of you are asking for, I feel that it's time for a fresh step forward. Our new name will be Beyond the Limelight. This name reflects the heart of what we do together, diving into the Word of God and discovering what God's wisdom says and learning how to live it out in our everyday life. God is doing just a new thing, I believe, in all of our lives, and there'll even be some parallels with our careers and our career development. Now, I want to reassure you that nothing you love about this channel is going to go away. You'll still receive the Bible study lessons, word study tools, encouragement, and really practical training that you really come to expect. The only thing that's changing is our name so that it'll better reflect our mission and our community. So for the next few weeks, you'll hear me say Beyond the Limelight for Women, formerly Bible Study Made Simple with Diane, so that everyone knows that they're in the right place. And if you share this channel with your friends, you can let them know that it's still Diane, still our Wisdom Walkers community, just under a new banner. I'd love to hear what you think about the new name. Just drop me a comment below and let me know how Beyond the Limelight for Women speaks to you. Your feedback encourages me and really lets me know that God is ministering to your heart. So thank you so much for walking this journey with me. Together we are growing in wisdom, walking in faith beyond the limelight. So we'll see you in the next video, and you have a great one.